Hi, I'm not a David Brent fan anymore because I just received a letter. I'm gonna translate it to you in English because it's in Italian, and it says, "Dear, we're sorry to inform you that we won't be able to accept your petition because we found out, based on our researches, that David Brent is not a real person. He's just a character that an actor invented for his shows." Signed, the Vatican. So the Vatican and Pope Francis wrote this letter to me, and it was a shock, as you can imagine, because this thing that I did was just for David Brent, and Gianni also quit his job, etc., for David Brent, and now I know that David Brent is not real. I can't really express my feelings about this, but I tried. I wrote a song which is called Farewell to David Brent. I saw you walking in an office on the BBC. I immediately knew that there was something between you and me. I loved your humor, your professionalism, your musicality. But then I discovered that that wasn't a real TV documentary. Like the thing opening to see you have another identity. Like in Jordan's movie, The Crying Game, you're not what you appear to be. You deceive me, you deceive me, you deceive me, whoa. You're just a fictional character that doesn't exist, that someone created from nothing. I took the risk to have you as a teacher, as a mentor, as fellow guitarist. But that wasn't real, and I broke in tears, 'cause someone that I admired so much was just a stupid fraud. Like the thing opening to see you have another identity. Like in Jordan's movie, The Crying Game, you're not what you appear to be. You deceive me, you deceive me, you deceive me, whoa. I can assure you it's a shock to have affection for someone who is not who you think he is. But in any case, if you really meditate on this matter in general, isn't reality just an illusion? Like the thing opening to see you have another identity. Like in Jordan's movie, The Crying Game, you're not what you appear to be. You deceive me, you deceive me, you deceive me, whoa. You deceive me, hey, you deceive me. That's it. So don't trust anyone. That's the moral of all this thing. And it shouldn't be legal, you know, to try to be someone else, not you. It shouldn't be legal, you know. This is the last video that I will post, and it's the end of my YouTube experience. It was just a way to connect with